Starting with our Zoom tan sky cams, we're first showing you a live look at the Pink Shell Beach Resort Marina, where the skies are very, very clear. There you see Bowditch Point on the right-hand side of your screen. Out in the distance, you see Punta Rassa, and on the left-hand side of the screen, you can just see the beginnings of the Sanibel Causeway. Another Zoom tan sky cam that we have for you from the marina at Cape Harbor, showing you that big canal there. That one takes you right to Rum Runners Restaurant. That's where if I had a boat, I'd just come right in, park, go into Rum Runners, have a convivial. Beautiful day to be out on the waters, as you can see. Sky's very clear right now, but let me show you time-lapse photography. This is from the earlier afternoon. We did have some low-level clouds in place, but once we got to about 4:30, 5 o'clock, we did have the beginnings of a sea breeze start to kick in, and you do see clouds decreasing very close to the water. Now, that sea breeze has been held very much in check. It's been pinned right along the coastline, and that's one of the reasons why we're still very, very warm in southwest Florida, if not hot. We're over 90 degrees. Here we are at about 6:45 in the evening. 91 in Fort Myers, 91 in the Cape, 90 in Lehigh. Doesn't really feel that warm because humidity is still only at about 30 to 35%, maybe 40% in Collier County. Southeasterly wind held that sea breeze really right along the beaches today. Sea breeze does a couple of things for us. It cools us off, which hasn't happened in a lot of spots. It also brings a little more humidity. So we are warmer, but the humidity right now is still pretty manageable. When you wake up tomorrow morning, we'll be at 71 degrees. Skies will be mostly clear. The noon hour, 86. Another quick warm up. And tomorrow, we're going to end up in the low 90s in a lot of spots again. Here's a satellite view showing us that things are pretty quiet. We had a few of those low-level cumulus clouds. They came over from the other side of the state. Now, the atmosphere is more moist. You see a lot more moisture out in the Gulf of Mexico. Earlier in the week, we had that very dry air indicated by the darkness on the water vapor imagery. So the atmosphere is gradually getting more moist, but not moist enough for the sea breeze to trigger any significant rain. We're still not in that rainy season pattern just yet. Not enough moisture, not enough humidity, not enough instability. Here's Saturday. Okay, 1 or 2 showers popping up, mainly inland east of I-75. Could have a couple of showers on Sunday, too. But by next week, looks like we're going to be creeping a little bit closer to the rainy season, and the afternoons should be getting more active. Power 4-zone forecast starting with the inland zones, which will be the hottest, 91 to 94. Partly sunny, warm and breezy for LaBelle, Arcadia, and Palmdale. Harbor zones, 89 to 92 for you. Mostly sunny and breezy with mainly a southeasterly wind, although on the beaches it may become onshore in the late afternoon. Partly sunny as far as the coastal areas go, 91 to 93 the afternoon high for Cape Coral, Bonita Springs, and Estero. And on the beaches, mostly sunny and breezy, 86 to 89 the afternoon temperature, but it should be getting a little bit cooler on the beaches by the late afternoon. Seas anywhere from 2 to 3 feet. We'll have a moderate chop on the bay and in the waters, and our Gulf of Mexico temperature right now at 84. Let's call it mainly dry over the weekend. 10 to 20% chance for a few showers to pop up in the afternoon, but they're mainly going to be inland, and you should not cancel any plans for the weekend. However, late Tuesday into Wednesday, chance for rain goes up to 40%. And I think Tuesday and Wednesday, we could have a few thunderstorms in the afternoon, as it's going to feel a little more like summertime by the mid-portion of next week.